This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Omni 36 rupees is a Super CRV. It is located in Dover, FL 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Omni 36 rupees is built on a Ford F600 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.